Greetings to all our listeners. Today, Imal and I will be exploring the enduring significance of email within our digital infrastructure. Email, in an era dominated by instantaneous messaging platforms, do you believe that email still maintains its relevance in a professional and academic environment, or has it become an absolute tool?
Thank you for that insightful opening yourself. While it is through that m- modern instance messaging offers unprecedented speed in fairly valid text email remains in commerce tools of professional con 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 con, con- confidence its formal structure and its her probability to document her profit eye level for credibility and stability that's its eye stability as as essential for managing long term academic and corporate projects.
That is a valid point regarding the necessity of documentation. However, many students today argue that the formal nature of email creates unnecessary delays in communication. Why do you think this structure is still preferred over the convenience of real-time messaging application?
The preference for email steps for its ability to serve its eye perceives core for this horse unlike instant messaging which often leads to fragments and informal communication. Email request I student offers with specific subject lens and formal address which unusual text complex information in articulate clearly and remains and remains testable for future recommends.
I certainly agree with the importance of having a retrievable record, yet we must address the significant vulnerabilities associated with email, particularly regarding phishing and social engineering. How should students in the informatics field approach this security challenge effectively?
Security awareness in IDEDs common student modes its uh, pretest requests and digital Hagni which in college everything sender at horribility and squandering hyphenates connected before interaction. We must recording text email its prequality exploited its I factors for malicious attacks and the the force protective fili, 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 the Philippines it's the only reliability defines against such sophisticated routes.
Your emphasis on vigilance is well placed. From a technical perspective, do you believe that a deep comprehension of email protocols such as SMTP, IMAP, and POP3 remains a fundamental requirement for our study program.
which I bought. It's it's fundamental understanding the underlying protocol that governments how data protects propends the network from the sender to the server is a core completely for any information student magister. The this technical fundamental is the question I more user from I protected IT professional than situating to or on topic C cell excami the vast and complex infrastructure of the internet yourself, given your technical background, how walls you you evaluate in place of the internet on the way we accurate chronology and in encoded research today.
The internet has undeniably democratized access to information, serving as the most extensive repository of human knowledge in history. It enables us to retrieve research journals, technical documentation, and collaborative resource instantaneously, which has fundamentally transformed our methodology for academic inquiry and problem solving.
While in the documentation of information is a significant achievement, do you believe this unprotected assets of access has resulted in a decline in the critical thinking and analytical processing among students?
There is certainly a risk of intellectual dependency because information is so readily available. There is a temptation to prioritize rapid retrieval over deep comprehension. We must cul- cultivate stronger critical thinking skills to ensure that we are not merely consuming information but are analyzing and validating the credibility of the source we utilize.
That distinction between consumption and analysis is critical. What more considering our bits of study how works you you can retest in current states of the severity within the past in interconnected are 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 situated of the global internet.
It is an incredibly violent landscape. Every node within the network represents a potential entry point for unauthorized access, and as our reliance on the internet grows, so does the sophistication of cyber threats. We must implement robust encryption and advanced security protocols to protect our data from becoming vulnerable to exploitation.
Expanding on that's in internet connection, Nutur, how do you perfection the rapid pro, prope, propagation on the Internet of Things, lots and its implementation for network security in domestic and professional environments.
The proliferation of IoT devices introduced significant complexities, while the convenience of a connected ecosystem is substantial. Every additional device increases the attack surface of a network. If we do not secure our infrastructure, starting from the router, we ina- inadvertently compromise the integrity of our entire digital environment.